Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how to add a working comment section to your Softr app using Airtable and a simple Softr form. It's super easy and completely no code. Let's get straight into it. First, go to your Airtable base and create a new table called comments. Add fields like name, comment text, date, and if you want a linked record to whatever content you're commenting on, like blog post or product. Now head over to Softr and drag a form block on the page where you want users to leave a comment. Then connect that form to your Airtable's comment table, the map and fields, name, content, and date. Now add a list block right under your form. Connect it with the same Airtable so it displays all submitted comments. You can customize how the comments show up, maybe just the name, message, and date. Want it to refresh live? Enable dynamic content updates. Install Softr settings so new comments appear instantly without reloading. And that's it. You've now got a simple commenting system inside your Softr app. Don't forget to subscribe and like.